Okay, for today's tip, we're going to talk about onXhunt maps on your phone. Now, a major tool with this program is the ability to track your movement and the ability to mark your waypoints as you go. So, talking about tracking a wounded animal specifically, it comes very handy because it shows you where you've been, bottom line.
Down to just about freezing.
I'm gridding for a bear, looking for a wounded bear. As I go, I mark my waypoints to the important spots, like last blood maybe, or a big pile of poop, something substantial. Or I'll just mark my waypoints along the way so I can get an idea of the route that the animal's taking. So you can see this bear kind of followed contours, side-hilled, and then he turned up and he went uphill, and then it looked like he's getting pretty weak, and so then he's following the contour of the hillside now. And you can see that demonstrated by my points that I made along the way. So a very great tool. Before I go out into any hunt, I always download my area that I'm going to be hunting if I'm going to be out of cell service, and that gives me the ability to have high resolution maps no matter where you are in the country. And so I do that, number one. Number two, before I even start, I go to tracks and I can start my tracks. So I've been tracking this bear for 3 hours. I've wandered around for 2 miles. My average speed is a half a mile an hour. And my tools here mark my location at a waypoint. You can do some drawing and some line distance, but to all the important spots, I just mark my location along the way. And it's really simple, and it's a live update, and it keeps you going. And you can see that little red dot up there by my last waypoint is our location. So keep that in mind next time you're out bow hunting. This is a handy tool. You know, you can get by without it, but why? This makes life so much easier. You don't have to carry an extra GPS. You just do it all on your phone. Keep track of everywhere that you've been, and you can kind of see how I've gridded with these fingers making loops out, just kind of fanning out where I lost blood. So very handy tool. So heck, maybe consider get onXhunt maps. Makes your life easier. I know it makes mine easier.